Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share easy way to clean C drive space in Windows 10 or 11. Yes, C drive is the most important drive in a laptop. So C drive contain all operating system details, downloads, documents, desktop, everything will be there. So how to clean the C drive and how to make space to generate your works. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop, I just opened my computer. So my drive 32 GB only available. I have 197 GB but 32 GB only available. If I'm using 2 GB extra means my C drive will become a red box. So how to clean this C drive, how to make a space, let me show you. So just go to start menu in your laptop or computer, just go to settings option. So once you go to settings option, there will be a systems. So first one is systems option. Just scroll down, you will get an option called storage. Once you go to storage option, so there will be an entire C drive and storage, everything will be there. So C drive is most powerful and C drive contain the operating system, what are the apps you install, everything will be saved in C drive. So we need to save the C drive with a positive way. We have to clean the C drive, otherwise your system may get very slow. You cannot use the system and application with the fast mode. So what you have to do, just go to storage and you will find option called Windows C drive around 197 GB I have in my system. So app and features will be in 77 GB. So leave it because your app and feature are most important. Your operating system will be in app and feature. So just go down, you will get option called temporary file. So temporary file itself I got around 25 GB. So temporary file is not at all used for you, because if you clear or if you use the app means the files, app files and temporary files will be stored in the temporary folder. System has assigned for that. So you can clear means almost your GBs, that is your C drive will be clear and easy to access, as well as the document, other people, other drives will be there. You can clear everything and you can make a space. What you have to do here, just click the temporary file. So you will get an entire option of temporary files. So for example, you have the temporary file downloads and delivery optimization files, Windows upgrade and login, temporary files and thumbnails and recycle bins, and everything will be there. So some of the file it won't be tick in Windows 11 or Windows 10, because downloads have the most important personal folder or files will be there. So you should enable this one whether you don't want downloads. So if you want, just remove the file automatically, that will be in safe zone. So totally without download I have around 3.4 GB files, that is 4 GB files are available, so without a downloading option. So if you want to delete recycle bin option also, just click select that, whatever information you want you can. So important one I just suggest downloads, and some of the temporary files you don't want means you can remove, but download only, you just see whether you need any other files are there or not. So I didn't select download. If you want you can select download option. Once you select entire tick marks, just click a remove option. Once you click remove option, the selected file, their data will be permanently deleted. Yes, just click here to continue. Automatically your C drive, that is C drive, storage, temporary files will be clear in your system. Yes, as you see here, so there are plenty of spaces were cleared in my C drive. Just go to system storage and you will find option called documents. If you have important documents in your laptop or desktop means, just open your documents folder here, that will you can manage your document below view document. Once you select the view documents, so you have entire documents files are available. You can choose and you can delete whatever information you want. Personally you want to delete means you can open and check out. Yes, just go to again storage option and you will get other people. If you have your laptop with more than other users means, just go to that other users and delete entire folder. And other means you will store, you will easy to access your system, but your software will be stored in a different places. For example, I have installed Quick Kill antivirus, so that will be in 774 MB backup files are there. If you want delete, just select and shift delete option, permanently the files will be deleted. And my files will be, storage will be clear, so you can delete and you can have access for other files you want. Mean C drive and whatever software you install, the temporary files will be stored over here, so you can delete, otherwise just leave it. So these are the easy way to clear your drive. See, before that it was in 32 GB, now it's 2 GB is increased to 34 GB. If I delete download folder, around I will get 55 GB free space. That is 22 GB will clear, means 55 GB will be free. So I didn't check. If before I check and create the video, means I may delete 22 GB, I can save 55 GB in my C drive. It's a beautiful and easy tip and trick. If you clean your C drive, means you will get a free and easy to access your entire software with entire system without any other lag of your laptop or computer. Use this option, try these tips and share with your friends, and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.